Hello, welcome to Novi's Bali Kitchen. Today I'm going to my favorite supermarket, Papaya, and I will see you there later. Bye-bye. So when I miss the fisherman in the morning on the beach, I always came here to buy my fish and chicken. So let's follow me. So here is, they have, like you can see, they have all is fresh made and fresh from the beach, and only they sell only for today, and every day they always have a fresh fish here. So, ya Pak, hari ini ada apa aja Pak? Kalau ini kakak putih. So this is a snapper. Snapper is here. White snapper and red snapper, and they have also tenggiri, which is mackerel, yeah, and mahi-mahi ya Pak ya, and this is a mahi-mahi. So I'm going to buy some to make a dish some dish for this evening. So I got 4 pieces of mackerel, and let's go now to the chicken place. So here is where I bought my chicken, and I'm going to get some chicken thigh, and the chicken breast. Terima kasih. So we got our fish and chicken, and so let's go home now. Hello, here we are in Sunday market in Cafe Batu Jimbar. So I'm going to buy some vegetable and to accompany my fish dish and chicken dish. So it's all the vegetable is come from Badugul, and they are fresh and grow in Badugul, and also they are organic. Terima kasih, sama. So I will see you in the kitchen. Bye-bye. Om Swastiastu. Hello, I'm back. Let's make grilled mackerel salad. For this recipe, I'm going to use fresh mackerel, assorted lettuce, coriander leaf, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 3 tablespoon olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, squeeze of lime juice, and black peppercorn. So let's start. First thing, I'm going to mix the dressing. And I'm going to add the rice vinegar, olive oil, salt and sugar, squeeze of lime juice, and black peppercorn. The dressing is ready. Now let's prepare the fish. So I'm going to put pinch of salt and black peppercorn. Let's prepare the grill pan. Put little bit of olive oil. So now the grill pan is ready. It takes 2 until 3 minutes each size. It depends on how thick your fish are. You can see the color is changed here, so it means it's half size is cooked. So we just need to wait another side. So now the fish is cooked. And we're going to prepare the lettuce. Coriander leaf. So I'm removing the skin and the bone. And pour the dressing on the top. Here we are, grilled mackerel salad. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.